0 Investment Business Ideas from Home, Best Business Ideas 2021. Business ideas start with no money or with money. Suppose you got bored while performing the same duties, again and again, every day. In that case, you want some changes in life, and when the moment comes into your life, which forces you to start thinking about something that can turn your way towards some other direction that can make your life exciting and happy. After all the hassle, you finally reach the dream worlds where you see yourself as your boss and think that it is better than following jobs robotically 9 to 5 fixed hours at the same location and space. Then you decide to start a business of something, but this question makes your confidence down about what and how to arrange investment. Nowadays, it is quite difficult to invest or spend for anything you need. In that situation, when you think to start a business, then, first all no topic and ideas come in mind, and once we get some clues regarding business startup, then most of the time no money in pocket to step out further. Now again, the same question is how to start a business with no money. So not to worry, I have come up with flexible and easy business opportunities whereby your dream may come true. You have heard many times about a lot of opportunities, especially if it is a matter of any business. In the world, there are many businesses available. One of them is sewing business opportunities. When it sounds sewing business, most people say, it is low profile and mid-level business. I would say no, it is not like that. If you see around you, you shall find a product wherein stitching has been involved. As I already explained, the stitching industry is vast in one of my articles. It has many stitching business sector details that may change your life towards success. Herewith, I will show you top 3 business opportunities that will help you even if you have or no money to start up. I would say to all newcomers to start your business career at the beginning with start business with no money. I would recommend starting a sewing business at the small scale level with some of the sewing business ideas. The stitching sector already has many sewing business opportunities available for your career journey with this business category. However, before you start, you will have to understand each of these business aspects and make the decision accordingly. Here are some of the business examples explained through which you will get help in deciding to start the business, and which will be more accessible and better according to your capability and self-strength. Top 3 sewing business opportunities. Number 1. First business opportunity, start business with no money. Typically, it is human nature when she thinks regarding the business establishment, then worried about how to start a business with no money. Let us explain how this method works. You can make a profit from this stitching business without any investment as an intermediary. In this case, you will have to select a particular product and make a marketing strategy on how and from where you will get the stitch-able items order. In the meantime, you will also have to find out a place or company where the product is readily available or can be manufactured according to the customer's requirements. Business process. For more details, the entire matter will be like this. Once you get the stitch-able product's requirement from the customer, then in the meantime, you should have to discuss with them regarding the payment and delivery terms before the order is finalized. Further, with the customer's advanced payment, the order will execute through the manufacturer or wholesaler. In the end, you have to deliver the consignment to your customer. In this scenario, none of any single penny will be spent from your pocket except your efforts. Conclusion for this kind of business. You need a customer and product seller or manufacturer, both should be in your hand. All you have to do is take both the parties into confidence and build a trust level. Then only you can make this business possible. Number 2. Second business opportunity, become a trader. When you neither have work experience nor enough budget for starting a manufacturing unit, then, in this case, you have to work smartly as a trader, according to the market demand. For instance, first, you have to select the stitch-able product that could be anything. You may even decide to start a business from home. In that case, you will have to perform physical marketing and digital marketing if you can. Furthermore, it is advisable to arrange for a small shop based on the rental agreement, preferable in the market, where many people walk on for their requirements. Moreover, by understanding the market demand, You have to arrange multiple products in different styles from those manufacturers, custom-made orders providers, or sellers who sell the ready-made stitch-able product as a wholesaler. After that, start displaying the stitch-able product samples in your showroom. Remember that you have to present your business portfolio well, and that will attract customers accordingly. By selecting the above business category, you will avoid a lot of extra manufacturing expenses. Number 3. Third business opportunity. Start the small manufacturing unit. Suppose your budget is limited, then you may start up with the small-scale stitching manufacturing unit along with the few workforces only. Further, you have to keep in mind those essential things before you begin. The essential establishment points may help you to start any stitching business professionally and efficiently. Mostly it has been seen that small-scale stitching companies have a business threshold due to the inefficiency of investment capability. Therefore, it is difficult for them to perform beyond the capacity, and this is the real reason for not able to arrange valuable equipment and machine model which may help to improve more in the product's quality as well as increases production volume and escalate the business towards success. Thus, small-scale manufacturing companies are usually unable to produce a product in mass quantities and do not maintain their product's quality. This does not mean that you cannot produce quality products in the mid-level business. It is overall feedback given about small-scale stitching manufacturing companies. The employee or stitching operator who has multiple work experience, then it would be more beneficial, especially for the small-scale stitching manufacturing companies, because different kinds of production assignment or stitching application can be completed within the budget, so obviously, there won't be a requirement to appoint the additional workforce for the various tasks. Often, it has been seen that small-scale stitching manufacturing companies produce products based on job work that's even called CMT, cut, make, and trim. Usually, what happens in job order, CMT, assignment, the intermediator who gets contracts from the first party, and pass on or distribute production assignment with the third party. The intermediator provides jobs along with the fabric material and accessories. Moreover, the third party needs to go through with the manufacturing process only and deliver the order in time. In addition, in the CMT assignment, it is good that you can be away from the raw material purchasing, product marketing, and promoting part. Now I can believe if you follow the above methods and take the initiative to a startup business, then defiantly your dream will come true. To know more, please visit www.stitchingbusiness.com. Thank you for watching.